Hello, I'm Louis Reed, and I serve as the NIPCO Director Representative from Western Iowa Power Cooperative. As President of the NIPCO Board of Directors, I'm proud to share how we've been working for Western Iowa in 2024. From farmers tending their fields to manufacturing workers on the production line, from ranchers at sunrise to small business owners serving their neighbors, reliable and affordable power is the cornerstone of getting the job done. NIPCO provides wholesale power and transmission services to 7-member cooperative across 10 counties, serving families and businesses across Western Iowa. NIPCO directors live and work in the communities we serve. With guidance from the NIPCO staff, we work together to make decisions based on the energy needs our members expect, and reliability tops that list. Over the past decade, we've invested in energy reliability through NIPCO's renewal and replacement plan. To date, we have upgraded 465 miles of 69 kV transmission line, 12 transmission substations, 58 switches, 65 substations, and added 7 new substations for improved reliability across the NIPCO footprint. Despite NIPCO's continuous efforts to storm harden our system, Mother Nature occasionally proves too powerful. In late April and early May, back-to-back tornadoes struck Western Iowa's southern region, while historic June flooding devastated our northern and central territories. Weather-related incidents accounted for 72% of total outages in 2024. Nevertheless, NIPCO maintained a 99.99% reliability factor. In September of 2024, we opened the doors of the new Southern Outpost facility near Denison. The new location allows NIPCO's southern crews to better serve the membership through a single and centrally located facility that provides improved outage response times and service capabilities. In today's complex energy landscape, we're advocating for our members, fighting to maintain rate stability, ensure reliable service, and defend the cooperative business model. Despite rising costs of materials and purchase power, NIPCO has worked hard to continue to serve as a resource to its membership and ensure value in their investment. While NIPCO has not passed along a significant rate increase to the membership in almost a decade, approving a 2025 rate increase was a difficult but necessary action to maintain the high level of service reliability our members expect and to support continued investment in critical infrastructure that will serve Western Iowa's growing energy needs for years to come. We're working to meet tomorrow's challenges head-on as we consider an unprecedented load growth in our system and in systems around us, a volatile energy landscape which includes regulatory hurdles and rising cost of materials and supply chain uncertainties, addressing the needs of a diverse mix of energy users and consumption patterns, and safeguarding our nation's energy security, ensuring enough electric generation to meet demand. All this while promoting the value of an all-of-the-above generation mix that powers the need of Western Iowa 24/7. Through strategic planning and working together with the membership, we're finding ways to plan for a future that puts reliability, affordability, and community growth first. We know there is work to do, and we're not afraid to get our hands dirty. Thank you for your continued support of what we do here at NIPCO. Thanks for coming.